Had a great time. Floating down the river yesterday was amazing.
And the river trip was a great experience. Beautiful scenery down the river.
To spend a couple days away from your business and away from your company and your family, you have a very high expectation of what the return needs to be. And this greatly exceeded every metric I thought I was going to get out of this.
We built a 45-foot linear fire pit, allowing to actually have that experience of standing around the fire with their friends, being able to actually have an interaction and have that experience with their own steak.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a deep breath in, a relaxed breath out. When you feel the urge to breathe, this is an important concept. It's one of the most foundational parts of human nature is the urge to breathe. It is perfectly normal if your body starts to feel tingly. And our goal here is to hyper-oxygenate our bodies completely with oxygen. Are we ready for the next level cold immersion experience?
The guys, whenever they jumped in the river with a little less training, they were a lot more anxious. But then after they went through the training, they were just perfectly chill and calm.
We worked together, we did an amazing cold plunge exercise. Everybody was super invigorated.
And then just hearing the guys as I'm walking around and they're kind of bouncing around, like, oh, my body feels good. Like, they're like surprised how good that feels.
I said, John, what happens if we don't dive? He just looks me right in the eyes and he says, everybody will die, including the SEALs.
So the story of the Cave Rescue, and to have those guys up close and personal and hearing that just was a super cool experience. The networking, the teamwork, the putting the plan together, the rehearsing the plan, all those things are things we do in our business every day and need to do more of, and something that YPO guys appreciate.
Is it impossible? Like, you're telling me it's impossible, but what does the impossible look like?
What's next for YPO, and how can we take this and apply it to your experience, and trying to take what we can to basically take our own lives to the next level and take what we could from this Mission Impossible.
Working with our forums, our micro forums, to put together the rope bridges and accomplishing that task was a lot of fun.
We did this Turelian bridge exercise, which was building bridges that traverse 100 feet or more, or maybe 200 feet.
It's been everything from leadership to inspiration, and just to create an all-around immersive and life-changing experience.
It's been an amazing experience, testing myself physically, emotionally, and having just a great opportunity to connect with other people.